what they wanted, don't they? I'm gonna get the other.
This is a former plantation, and in the 60s it was sharecropper land. It went from belonging to Native Americans to an enslaved plantation to being sharecroppers' land to now being owned, if I might say, by descendants of the enslaved.
And you kind of forget about your woes and your cares throughout the day while you're here. It's almost unexplainable. So this right here, we can literally take, and if you decide you need a mask, I'll go get one. I might have to get one. You have that feeling. Yep. Woo. It's almost like you're being nurtured. Our chickens are spoiled.
Here, when the gardeners are here, you hear laughter. You hear community. Some who come are familiar with gardening and growing their own vegetables, and others have never done it in their lives.
When I pull this up, I'm gonna pull it up by the root, because this is some of the best lettuce you have ever tasted. I want to plant a row, a whole row of lettuce. Can you tell? Okay.
It will always be about teaching people, building resilience, and showing everybody that they are a valuable human being.
Yep. So it'll be one for, you'll have one and she'll have one. Let's say one.
That's so weird. I was moving
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I just dumped
If you
it.
want to live a good life, live in harmony with all living things.